Students, today we are going to study the Science Chapter 2 for 10th Semi Periodic Classification of Elements. मूलद्रव्यांचे आवर्ती गुणधर्म. In this chapter there are 4 subpoints: elements and their classification, Dobereiner's triads, Newland's law of octaves, Mendeleev's periodic table, and very important, that is modern periodic table. First of all, from the 9th standard you may know about the types of matter. There are some questions for you. What are the types of matter? You know 3 types of matters. Take some examples. Pen, the wall of your classroom. Chalk, blackboard. Water, edible oil. Petrol, diesel, kerosene. Sanitizer, which is nowadays very familiar due to the coronavirus, which vanishes the virus. Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. These are some examples. From these we can divide in 3 types. Those are solids. Pen, wall, blackboard, chalk, these are the solid material. Edible oil, petrol, diesel, kerosene, these are liquids. And oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, these are gases. That means we studied 3 types of matters. But student, there is one another type of state or matter, that is plasma state. It is also a 4th one state which is possible only in very high temperature. It is a medium of bounded positive and negative particles. They are unbounded particles but not free, and hence there is no force in between them. These are the types: solid, liquid and gases. And last one, that is 4th one, plasma. Student, next one is type of elements. What is element? Element is a substance made from a single type of atom. And the types of elements are metals, non-metals and metalloids. Copper, lead, silver, gold, these are metals. Sulfur, nitrogen, selenium, bromine, these are non-metals. And bromine, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, etc., these are metalloids. One thing you have studied, that is atom. What is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of matter. Very small particle that we cannot divide it. That is atom. Next one, that is the difference between molecule of elements and compounds. See here, particles of same matter, those are molecule of elements. They cannot divide by chemical or physical process. For example, iron, copper, oxygen, etc. And in this side, compounds. What are compounds? They are made up of 2 or more elements. but they decompose by chemical process, that are compounds. For example, sodium chloride, water, sugar, etc. That is the difference between element and compound. Now see the classification of element. Student, we know that there are 118 elements in our scientific world. Around year 1800, there were 30 known elements. And in the course of time, they are discovered up to 180. And those are classified into metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Students, these elements are classified by so many scientists. First, Dobereiner, the German scientist, classified it by its triads. In 1817, he suggests that properties of elements are related to their atomic masses, and he made a group of 3 elements having similar properties called triads. He made a group of 3 elements of the same properties, similar properties, and he arranged 3 elements in increasing order of their masses and showed that atomic mass of middle element was approximately equal to the mean of other 2 elements. The mass of middle element was approximately equal to the mean of other 2 elements. See here examples. One triad is lithium, sodium, and potassium. Here see, lithium have mass 6.9, sodium have mass 23, and potassium have mass 93.1. Take mean of lithium and potassium, that is 6.9 plus 39.1 divided by 2, that is equal to 23. By calculation it is 23, and the mass, actual mass is 23. In second example, calcium, strontium, and beryllium. Take the mean of mass of calcium and beryllium, that is 40.1 plus 137.3 divided by 2 is equal to 88.7. That means the calculated mean is 88.7 and the mass of strontium is 87.6. Third example, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. The mean of chlorine and iodine, the mass of chlorine and iodine, that is 35.5 plus 79.5 divided by 2 is equal to 81.2. That means the calculated mean is 81.2 and the mass of bromine is 79.9. That means the calculated mean and the mass of the middle element is approximately equal. Students, Dobereiner gave his triad and classified the elements. Even if he classified, there are some limitations in his triad. What are limitations? At that time, few elements were discovered. From them he could discover few triads, and all known elements were not classified by Dobereiner. These are the limitations of उभे राहणार.